What's up, everybody? In this video, we're going to talk with the Claude and ask it to tell us a story about a history event so that we'll be able to learn the history in a deep way with all the facts and figures, with all the reality that is being written in the history books, and we'll ask the Claude to tell us in a story way. So let's dive into the video. Hey, Claude, how are you doing? How's everything going so far for you?
Hey Isha, I'm doing well, thanks for asking. Ready to dig into whatever you've got on today. How are things on your end?
So the thing is, I want you to tell me a story of history related to the colonization of the Africa, how it was colonized, and in a very deep and describing way, where you tell all the facts without, um, you know, with the reality, with facts and figure, without any sort of, changing the facts. So I will be listening to you. So tell me a story about it.
Right, let me take you back. For most of powerful, organized states, think of the Mali Empire, whose ruler Mansa Musa was likely the richest man to ever live, or the Kingdom of Congo, or the Ashanti and the Zulu. Europeans had been trading along the coast for centuries, mainly enslaving people and buying gold, but they barely ventured inland.
So this is the whole purpose of it. Like I won't go through the whole story because it's gonna take the video too long. But this is eventually how you guys can make it talk to you in a way that it will tell you about the story, rather than you will just go ahead and read the whole scripture and thesis or a theory about the history by yourself. So it's a way more funnier. It's a way more entertaining, and it's a good way to learn the history from the Claude. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.